Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna make grilled chicken salad, and in front of you are the ingredients we're gonna use to make it. So first off, we start off with the organic spring mix salad. We got the golden blossoms honey, apple cider vinegar, fresh chicken breast back here, Parmesan cheese, cucumber, and 2 avocados. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the chicken, and then we're gonna season it, followed by putting it on the grill. So after you're done cleaning the chicken, what you wanna do is you wanna grab your cutting board and you wanna start cutting the pieces in half so it cooks thoroughly as it's on the grill. So we got 4 pieces of chicken here, and I'll be cutting all 4 of these pieces in half. After you cut the chicken up, it's now time to season it. Now you can use whatever seasoning you want, but me personally, I like lemon pepper and adobo. Now the reason why I'm mushing it up is because I want the seasoning to get everywhere on the chicken. Now I'm about to add a last bit of lemon pepper. And we are ready to put the chicken on the grill. So out here, I got the grill preheated already. And we are ready for chicken on the grill. You know me, I'm lazy, so instead of putting it on the grill, I put foil on here first. So you want to come out here and start flipping the chicken, making sure it's cooking properly on all sides. Now I got the heat in the grill on low because I want to slow cook it to perfection. So while that's going on outside, what you want to do is come in here and we're going to open this and clean the salad. So after you clean the salad, what you want to do is start preparing the dressing. Guys, please don't kill me. I forgot one ingredient, which is olive oil. So we need 3/4 cup of olive oil. Next, you want 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. Next, you want 3 tablespoons of honey. After you add the honey, what you want to do is add a little bit of black pepper. Then you stir. So the honey is thick at the bottom of this whole mixture. Make sure you stir really well. The more you stir it, the more fluid the mixture becomes. As you get the mixture how you want it to be, you now want to come over and cut the avocados and cucumbers. So after you cut it up, there we go. My mom actually wanted me to add some onions, so she cut up some onions for me to add in here. So now the chicken's off the grill. I'm about to cut it up and add it to the salad. So now the chicken is all cut up and ready. Salad is ready. Dressing is ready. So now you want to get ready to pour the dressing on. You want to mix it up, because whenever you mix oil and vinegar, it sits. So you want to shake it up and beat it. After you mix up, this is the final product. You're ready. Final product. Tastes amazing. After everybody in the house eat, this is what left over.